My kitchen has felt a little chaotic. Cluttered cabinets, mismatched containers, stuff, and many spices that I don't even use. So, I decided to give it a reset to make it functional, organized, calm, and more me. I started by brain dumping and writing about all of the steps I need to go through. I drew 2 columns, first the declutter column and second the organization column. For decluttering, 1. Pulling everything out, plates, bowls, pots, glasses, and spices. 2. Categorizing the items into plates, bowls, utensils, spices. 3. Throwing away stuff I don't use anymore. 4. Organizing column. 1. Dusting and wiping cabinets. 2. Planning on how could be the organization of plates, pots. Decluttering and organizing your kitchen cabinets isn't just about aesthetics. It directly impacts your mental health, productivity, and even your physical health. Once I pulled everything out, just seeing it all laid out was a bit overwhelming, but it helped me realize how much I wasn't using. I started wiping the cabinets and cleaning them thoroughly. I asked ChatGPT as well, sent pictures of my stuff and cabinets and asked it how should I organize my stuff in the way that plates I use the most be handy, asking it to create the layout for me based on my items. The utensils organizer was cluttered. I sorted out the spoons, forks, and knives and categorized them. Then I grouped everything by category and functionality. Plates near the dishwasher, spices at the top near the stove, to have them handy, mugs near the coffee machine. I placed my stuff inside cabinets before making them organized. I did this in 2 to 3 days since it's a lot of work to go through all of your kitchen items. Before seeing what organizer do I need to buy, I took some pictures and thought about the organizer type I needed. I marked up the images to visualize how would it look. Then I went on Shein to shop for organizer. I did measurements to make sure the items fits inside my cabinets. The items were delivered in a few days. Let's unpack. I got a hanging cup holder, a wooden dish storage rack for my plates, a wooden rotating storage tray for my spices, a kitchen countertop for my cabinets, since I have a lot of spices. The only items that needed assembling was the kitchen countertop. I placed the mugs, the plates, the spices. And here's my hamster. He wants to have caramel macchiato creamer, which is not good for him at all. My kitchen now feels light, organized, and peaceful. It feels so good. I feel strong with it. I notice I make healthier choices and I don't mind cooking anymore. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to see the whole tour of my apartment, watch this video next. Have a good day. Bye.